Welcome all of you. Today we are going to see the lesson number 5, that is classification of plant diseases. The plant diseases are classified on the different factors. So first, that is based on plant part affected. In this there are two types of diseases, that is localized disease and systemic disease. In case of localized disease, if they affect only specific organ or part of the plant, that are referred as the localized diseases. And in case of systemic, if the entire plant is affected, or they can be classified as root diseases, stem diseases, foliar diseases, etc. And diseases based on the perpetuation and spread. First of all, we must know what is meant by perpetuation. So perpetuation means nothing but it is the survival and spread of the pathogen. So in this first one, that is soil borne, when the pathogen perpetuates through the agency of soil, means in simple, the pathogens which are survive, which retain in the soil, that are called as soil borne pathogens. The next one, that is seed borne, when the pathogen perpetuates through the seed, that are referred as seed borne pathogens. And third one, that is airborne, when they are disseminated by wind, for example rust and powdery mildews. Based on the symptoms produced by the different pathogens, diseases are classified as rust, smut, powdery mildews, downy mildews, root rots, wilts, blights, cankers, fruit rots, leaf spot, etc. In all these examples, the diseases are named after the most conspicuous symptoms of the disease appearing on the host surface. You can observe the different images are there: rust, smuts, powdery mildews, wilts, cankers and leaf spots. Classification based on the host plants affected. They can be classified as cereal crop diseases, forage crop diseases, flax diseases, millet diseases, plantation crop diseases, fruit crop diseases, vegetable crop diseases, flowering plant diseases, etc. Means according to the types of the crop, the name of that disease is classified. Based on major causes, they can be classified as fungal diseases, bacterial diseases, viral diseases, mycoplasmal diseases. You can observe here the fungal diseases images of two, that is tomato and rose, exhibiting the symptoms which are caused by the fungal agent. Then second one, that is the bacterial. You can observe the oozing of the bacterial suspension from the leaf, affected leaf. Then next one, that is the viral. Based on infection process, infectious and non-infectious. First of all, we see the infectious. All the diseases caused by animate causes, viruses and viruses can be transmitted from infected host plants to the healthy plants and are called as infectious diseases. Non-infectious diseases. Non-infectious diseases cannot be transmitted to the healthy plant, also referred as non-parasitic disorders or simply physiological disorders, and are incited by abiotic or inanimate causes like nutrient deficiencies or excess or unfavorable weather conditions of soil and air or injurious mechanical influences. Classification of animate diseases in relation to their occurrence. First, endemic diseases, which are more or less constantly present from year to year in a moderate to severe form in a particular geographical regions, that are country, district, or location. Second one, epidemic or epiphytotic diseases, which occur widely but periodically, particularly in a severe form. They might be occurring in the locality every year but assume severe form only on occasions due to the favorable environmental conditions occurring in some year. Third one, sporadic diseases occur at irregular intervals and locations and in relatively few instances. Last one, that is pandemic disease. A disease may endemic in one region and epidemic in another. When the epiphytotics becomes prevalent throughout a country, continent, or the world, the disease may be termed as pandemic. Thank you.